Welcome to Crypto AI Predictor. Today, we are analyzing a project that is solving one of the oldest and most persistent problems in the entire blockchain industry: how to make Bitcoin move as fast as modern finance. We are talking about Bitway, formerly known as Side Protocol, which has recently rebranded and launched with a massive vision for 2026. If you've been watching the market, you know that the Bitcoin season isn't just about the price of the king of crypto. It's about the infrastructure being built around it. Bitway is positioning itself as the premier Layer 1 application chain designed specifically for Bitcoin enterprises and high-yield finance. Before we get into the AI-driven price analysis, make sure to subscribe to the channel to support our deep dives into the evolving world of decentralized finance. Disclaimer: the following content is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial, investment, or trading advice. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile, and you should always conduct your own research and consult with a professional before making any financial decisions. What is Bitway? Bitway is a sovereign Layer 1 blockchain that acts as the Internet Capital Gateway. It is built to bridge the gap between traditional Bitcoin liquidity and the world of high-speed, on-chain finance. While many projects try to build on top of Bitcoin, Bitway builds with Bitcoin, offering a suite of products that allow institutional and retail users to do more with their assets. Key features of the Bitway ecosystem include Bitway Earn, an on-chain wealth management platform where users can generate yield on stablecoins and other assets using delta-neutral strategies. Bitway Lending, a self-custodial protocol that allows Bitcoin holders to borrow against their BTC without ever giving up their private keys. Bitway Chain, a high-speed, Bitcoin-compatible proof-of-stake network that supports EVM and WASM smart contracts, making it a dream for developers building Bitcoin-centric apps. The 2026 bull run narrative: why is Bitway surging in relevance right now? As we move through 2026, the market has shifted from hype-only assets to utility-first protocols. Bitway recently secured over $4 million in funding led by Tron DAO and HTX Ventures, and it was a featured project in the Binance Wallet Booster program. This level of institutional backing, combined with a team hailing from Binance Labs and Meta's chain space, gives Bitway a massive credibility moat. In a bull market, projects with strong venture capital and exchange relationships often see the highest levels of liquidity inflow. Tokenomics and market scarcity: the native token, by the way, is the heartbeat of this ecosystem. It is used for staking, securing the Bitway ledger; governance, voting on protocol upgrades and treasury allocations; gas fees, powering every transaction on the Layer 1 chain; boosted rewards. Staking, by the way, gives you higher yields on the Bitway Earn platform, with a circulating supply that is carefully managed and a total supply capped at 10 billion. The project is designed for long-term sustainability. Our AI data shows that a significant portion of the initial supply is being locked up in staking contracts, which reduces the available-to-trade supply precisely when demand is peaking during this bull cycle. The AI price prediction for Bitway, our proprietary AI at Crypto AI Predictor, has been processing millions of data points, including the altcoin season index, historical Binance Launchpad performance, and the growth rate of Bitcoin Layer 1 competitors. The models are currently highlighting a perfect storm for Bitway. The combination of a low current market cap relative to its peers and the massive influx of users into Bitcoin native DeFi is creating a powerful upward trajectory. According to our AI-driven neural network, which utilizes recurrent patterns from previous cycles like the 2021 DeFi summer and the 2024 L2 boom, the projected technical target for Bitway is highly optimistic. Based on these simulations, our AI predicts that as we reach the peak euphoria of this bull run, the price of Bitway is on a collision course with a target of 0.21. This level aligns with a multi-billion-dollar market capitalization, which would place Bitway among the top tier of infrastructure projects globally. While the path there will certainly have its share of shakeouts and volatility, the fundamental growth of the Bitway ledger suggests that this price objective is a key technical milestone to watch. Why the 0.21 target is significant: this price point isn't just a number. It represents a major valuation breakout. It would signal that the market has fully accepted Bitway as the standard for Bitcoin-based financial services. As more Bitcoin miners and institutions look for ways to put their capital to work without selling their primary assets, the demand for By the Way as the utility fuel for this engine could become relentless. Keep an eye on the total value locked in Bitway Earn. As that TVL grows, it creates a supply vacuum for the By the Way token, often leading to the parabolic price action we see in the final stages of a bull market. Conclusion: Bitway is bridging the most valuable asset in the world, Bitcoin, with the most efficient financial technology available today. It's a project built for the long haul, backed by the biggest names in the industry, and powered by a community that understands the value of on-chain capital efficiency. The 2026 bull run is rewarding the builders, and Bitway is building the very gateway that the rest of the market needs to grow.